When I say the living room is in chaos, this is what I mean. But the tree's still up, looking cute.
Ready to shoot now.
Crikey, it's cold. Like the people that do like whole house renovations, it must be so satisfying just to see everything out in the open. I've never seen cables and sockets and wires like that.
Ta-da!
Day 3 of the kitchen reno.
We're a quarter of the way there.
So day 1, the builders came in at 8 a.m. and by 8:10, according to Stephan's time lapse, that wall was gone, which was so impressive. Like they literally came in, no shits, and just demolished the place. Got all of the old kitchen carcasses out and just went for it. All of the shelving's been ripped off the floor, ripped off the wall. So it's like literally a shell of a
and
space.
all the tiles, I got rid of the flooring too.
And all the tiles we got rid of, yeah. We contacted a company called Clear B, and they came to take all the rubbish the next day, which was absolutely incredible. So just completely took that responsibility off us, which was great, and the builders. But yeah, so they got rid of everything. And then day 2, they laid the flooring down, the new flooring from Tops Tiles, so that really nice. Those beautiful laminate porcelain tiles. They are very cold on your feet. Obviously, we're not having any underfloor heating. Yeah. So in the winter, it's going to be a bit brutal. Ugg slippers to the ready.
But in the summer, when it's boiling,
I honestly think it's going to to be a lifesaver because you can just walk around barefoot and you can just calm your whole body down. It'll be really nice.
Down, sure.
And we can put a carpet in here. It'll be nice in the winter.
For sure.
And then, so they still need to finish the flooring in the hallway. But I'm really happy with it. And then today the electrician came in and made a shit ton of noise.
And repositioned all the plugs where we told them to.
Yeah, Steph did an amazing diagram. So he took a picture of every wall. He wanted to know exactly where the electrics were going to go. And so
yeah, I think gadgets aside, it's also good to know where we're going to put the air fryer, where we're going to put the appliances. But also, we sort of do and don't know, so I was trying to get all bases covered.
No, for sure, and I appreciate that, so thank you. But yeah, he made a shit ton of noise, and we're going to have a spotlight over there, a main light up here, and we've moved the sockets down to the breakfast bar. Wine bar can be had with no interruptions of a plug socket, which I think would hurt my eyes. And yeah, it's crazy to see like where everything's going to go. He's drawn diagrams on the wall of where things are going to go. So yeah, we can really start to imagine it now, which is really, really exciting.
And then yeah, tomorrow they're going to finish what the electrician couldn't finish today. And I think they're going to start piecing the IKEA together. So we're very excited to start seeing building blocks come into play.
Because the space looks really big now, but obviously the cupboards are going to come out to about here, and then the door.
You're in the cupboard, and where's the cupboard door?
There.
That's why they keep saying that door's gonna swing.
It is Monday, and it is now the countdown to our kitchen cabinet.
7-day countdown.
Built.
Yes.
Not finished.
Built.
But built and put in place. And maybe we would get like 80% done.
Pan around this way so we can see the crazy background over here.
Maybe we'll get like 80% done by Saturday. Then it'll be Christmas, New Year, and
But that means we will have the sink, we have water, we'll have electricity, we're gonna have, what's 80%, so like...
Maybe painted and...
I think definitely painted, for sure.
Tiled?
I don't know about the tiles.
Well, because the breakfast bar's delayed now.
We need to inquire about that. But I think, well, not I think, I know. I'm very excited.
Oh my god, look, the plaster. I actually love that plaster colour. And then they're having to put this kind of wood plank spacer because we've got a weird water pipe down there.
Yes. The IKEA carcass kitchen's going in. Guys, we have an opening. Look at that. Finally can see the floor in our living room. Oh my god, still got all these bits to go. But one step at a time, hey, one step at a time.
Check, mic check. We've just had some slightly stressful news. Our kitchen is lacking 4 centimetres. We need this kitchen to grow a little bit longer, which obviously is not possible. So what we didn't consider when measuring the length of this kitchen is a 4 centimetre spacer that would need to be added because our water pipes are external to the wall basically. So as you can see here, the pipes are outside of the wall, so they're having to use a spacer to separate that from the cabinetry at the back. So I think the plan is, because obviously we can't have a kitchen that's not all the way down to the wall, we've just knocked down this wall for that exact reason. So yeah, they're going to take these units off here, take off the spacer and try and carve out the wire internally to the units, which might mean that we lose our carousel cupboard here and our spice rack pull-out drawer here, which, to be honest with you, I don't think is the end of the world. We could add shelving here and just use it for big pots and pans and just have to get on our knees. That's the update. Pretty stressful. Let's see what they say when they get back from a smoke.
Okay.
Is that annoying? It's a very annoying thing. Yeah. I can put me to work. I can do something that you want me to salvage the mess.
It's also quite a tight space for the boys here.
I'm coming to you with some very, very good news. The kitchen has been fitted. When I say fitted, obviously not finished, but it fits. The pantry cupboard, the fridge freezer, the microwave and oven, that whole section in that corner is in. I just don't even have any words. I'm so grateful to my builders. Oh my God. It was so scary yesterday. I was like, that's it. The kitchen's not gonna be how I wanted it to be. I'll give you a little sneak peek of those cabinets. So they're just the carcasses from IKEA. The microwave and the oven is here as well. We got that from IKEA. And yeah, the IKEA fronts will begin to start going on, I think tomorrow. So yeah, it is coming together. I'm feeling so excited. The doors for this section actually, the burgundy doors are slightly delayed, so they're going to be with us mid-January. But the beige doors, yeah, you're going to have to watch the next video to see what they look like. Okay, bye!